the praises due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the creator of the whole creation. And there's a lot of durood to our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I want to thank all the organizers here for inviting me to deliver a speech. In this occasional motivational Islamic stage, our invitation is motivational speaker Hafiz Barrister Ilyas Hussain Ansari from the United Kingdom. Today, the time is not a lot time, it's my time. I don't want to speak as an Islamic scholar. I don't want to speak as a teacher, but as a concerned member of this ummah. Who is the concerned member of this ummah? An ummah who led the world with dignity, knowledge, and justice, wisdom. But today we are not like this. Why? Why we are not leading the world? What is the question? The answer is so simple. Answer is too powerful. The answer is education. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala began this ummah, He didn't send out the wealth. He didn't send out the money. He didn't send us the power. He sent us just a word, starting with a word, which is just a word, iqra, read. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim and Muslimah. That means knowledge, seeking knowledge is not an option. Seeking knowledge is not recommendation. Seeking knowledge is obligatory. We say seeking knowledge is obligatory upon every Muslim and Muslimah. But today our knowledge gap is decreasing. Why? Because of education. Once upon a time, we were living this world with science, with physics, chemistry, biology. The inventor of science, the inventor of physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. Ibn Sina, Musa al-Khazali, like this, there are a lot of scientists of Muslims, but today, no one you can find in this world. Why? Because of education. If we have to increase our gap of knowledge, we have to follow the rules. What is the rules? The rules of knowledge of gaining education. Education in both fields, it should be Islamic school and it is a modern education system. What is the modern education system? It should be anywhere, anything, arts, commerce, and science, anywhere. We have to grow up. Our brothers and sisters, I want to say just one thing. Please live your life according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rules. We are here to live. We are not here to live. We are here to rule this world. We are here to make the history. We are here to run like Sahaba Kiram. We are here to follow the Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. We are here to follow the Sahaba radiallahu ta'ala anhu. But why we are not like this? Why? Because Islam was not part of their life. Islam was not their part of life. Islam was their life. Today, Islam is our part of life. But it should come like this. We have to follow how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Qur'an, وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْكَافِرُونَ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ. If you don't make a decision according to Quran, according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's rule, you are fasik, you are kafir, you are zalim. In the world, all people are still non-Muslim. The Islamic people are not educated, but we are not like this. The invention of the science, Musa al-Khazali, he went out as a science teacher, as a Islamic scholar. But today I am not speaking as a scholar and as a teacher, as a member of Qur'an Muslim Ummah. My message is all the people who have their sister, their girls, their daughter. I want to say one message. Please, grow up your daughter, your son with Islamic education as well as modern education system. I hope all of you guys was a debate between Mufti Shamil and the judge actor. The topic was this debate was does gas exist? According to Islamic rules, Mufti Sahab was not modern education system part. He was not specialist, he was not a chemistry specialist, he was not a mathematics specialist, but a scholar of Islam. He was a Mufti, but he destroyed Muslim development. Why? Because he was as well as both education system part, Islamic education as the modern education system. I want to recommend all the people, if your child don't go to Islamic education system, that doesn't mean your child don't need to increase Islamic knowledge. If your child don't go to Islamic school, then you have to make him, you have to make a Islamic scholar in your home. You have to teach her Quran, you have to teach him Quran, you have to teach him Hadith, you have to know Islamic rules. We don't follow the non-Muslim people. You are following the Sahaba, you are here to follow our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. A lot of people say, the Islamic people don't know English, Islamic people don't know science, don't know physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. As a science seeker, as a science scholar, as a science teacher, I want to say, this is the example. In the older mother, we say in this building, we have to see the soldier, you have to see the commander, you have to see Islamic soldier. We are all the future of Islam. We are actually not the future of Islam. We are the present of Islam. A lot of people say that we are the present of Islam. Actually, yes, we are the present of Islam. You guys, they are not the future of Islam. The Bible, if he would not be a good leader, you are not going to invite him. There's a lot of people who is educatable. If they are not educated, we are not inviting him. Inshallah, in the future, we will again leave this world. We will again follow this older people Islamic education. We will rule this world. We will make history according to Islamic world. Say inshallah. Everyone say inshallah.